All right, so we're moving on to section 10.7. We're still factoring. You're using your Magic X box method to factor. It's going to take some time and some practice so to get used to it. So don't get frustrated yet if you're not figuring it out. Now, today's section, we're going to continue factoring, but this time we're going to factor special cases. So these special cases are going to look a little different than just your plain old regular quadratic trinomial. So on the board, you have 6 problems that I want you to be able to find the product of each. Now this is what you did way back in section, I believe it was 10.3 and 10.5, where you use the regular box method to multiply and find your product. Now, I'm not going to do this work for you. You know how to do the box method. Everybody knocked it out on your mastery check. Hopefully you did well on your test when you saw them. What I want you to do is take a few minutes on your paper, because you've got the room, and I want you to do the Xbox method for all 6 of these problems and then box your answer. Now, let's start with these just to make sure you understand. When you see a problem like this, and it's squared, all that means is you're going to multiply this binomial to itself. That doesn't mean you square the h and you square the 2. No. This is just telling you I want h plus 2 squared. So you're going to expand the first 3 problems, and then you do your X box. All right? Now, if you recognize these problems from the special cases that we did back in section 10.4, you may not have to do the X box. You may recognize that there's a pattern, and you can just go straight to giving me the product. But if you don't, you know that you can go straight to the X box, do it really quick, and get your answer. So take a moment, and find the product. In the next video, I'm only going to have the answers. So if I don't see your X boxes, your boxes, and all that on your notes, I'm going to know all you did was write the answers, and I'm not going to give you credit for this work. So take a minute, find the product of these 6 problems, and then go to the next video.